Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I've got a special smoker for y'all here today. Now, this is our Volunteer on a skid package. This is actually the first Volunteer we've ever done on our skid setup. This is going on man Ryan, and what happened was Ryan actually saw our 250s that we do on a skid package and was like, man, that is the most badass set of skids I've ever seen. I want it on a Volunteer. I said, hey, no problem, Ryan, I got you. So as you can see, we got it on our skids package. Fully custom fabricated skids, came out really sharp on this. Super happy with that. Still got your fold down shelf in the front, and he did upgrade to a stainless steel shelf. Folds down out of the way when you don't want to use it. Fold back up, locks in place. Still got your paper towel utensil holder there as well. Come around the smoke chamber here. Now, as I said, this is our TMG Volunteer smoker, and there are a couple things that kind of sets this apart from the rest. First off, it's just the sheer size of it. It is a 52-inch long, 27-inch deep smoke chamber, so a real large smoke chamber, all 1/4-inch steel. You got two sliding trays here, bottom and top rack. You do have a water pan tray off to the side here, so you don't have to set your water pan on your cook grate. Got his complimentary fire poker there as well. Now it does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain on the front here as well. Come around the firebox here. Now he did upgrade to the griddle top on top of the firebox, got your little grease trough here. Now the firebox on the Volunteer is actually 3/8 steel, so you got an extra thick firebox. Super heavy duty, gonna last you a lifetime. But guys, that is the TMG Volunteer here, heading my man Ryan. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.